Should we go that way? Towards Vegas? No way. King of the Hammers, way over Vegas. Oh, we're so close. You can see the dust over there at your 1 o'clock. We're gonna hit these dips, doing a Hyundai P, trying to get there. About to pull into KOH. They got UTV qualifying going on right now, hence all that dust over there, right over there. And we're gonna be in the middle of that carnage. But we just got a couple more miles till Boone Road. Big old Boone Road. But look at Hammertown already, packed out there. Oh my goodness. It's probably hard to see in camera, but holy smokes. Let's get a closer freaking look, dudes. Here she is. King of the Hammers, quarter mile. Getting closer. Getting hotter. Getting dustier. Pulling in. So this is the 1st. February 1st. And there's a massive line to get in already. And there is just a nice car right there. Tons of people already. Like, I can't even explain how many people are already out here. Wow. Incredible. Look at this little setup over here. This guy looks like he just gives rides or something. The kinds of toys we're going to be seeing out here, the amount of ninjanuity, the amount of fabricating that folks do, this is where it's to be seen. This is where it's to be seen. Not in Mexico, not at Glamis, King of the Hammers. Because the stuff people build is incredible. All right, guys, be cool. It's the fuzz. Be cool. We're so close. We are so close. This line, we've been in it for about a half hour now, and it is just stacking up. But it's well worth the wait. It is well worth the wait. Look at the sign. You can see it. I can see a hammer. I can just see a hammer. But look at these toys everyone's bringing in. All right, it's official. Spectator entering Hammertown. This here I named the Bridge of Sighs, because once you cross this bridge, it's official. I done found out here. You guys have matching t-shirts on. That's adorable. Gotta support Polaris, dude.
GoPro, man.
I gotta support Polaris, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Did I just break your nose? Well, we made it. 2020 KOH. And finally just got done setting up camp. And this place is already a zoo. Huge zoo. UTV qualifying today. Don't know how the Matlocks did. I just pulled in. We're gonna head over to their camp right over here. So they're camped right over here below AT&T Mountain. We got camp set up. What do you guys think? This is gonna be home for the next 8 days. Got the Huda car out. Got to unload the bed of the car. Got the smoker, the most important thing my wife got me for Christmas, the old Traeger. But then here's my office. Unlimited drinks. Comfy, cozy gravity chair, zero gravity chair, and home. All clean by myself, by my lonesome. So much room for activities in there. So we're gonna make some lunch because we haven't eaten anything, been on the road since 8:30 this morning. Stopped for fuel, stopped for ice, snacks, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and here we are. So we're gonna go check out Backdoor Chocolate Thunder tonight, and I will bring that stuff to you because that's where the carnage is. Stay tuned. This guy said, I got a 2-wheel drive, stuck mid-hill, screwing this other dude up. That's a sticky situation up there, boy. Seems little, but it's pretty damn steep with some big rocks in the way. Let's see how he'll get out of this one. Apparently, it looks like he has no 4-wheel drive. Right, just made it up to the top of AT&T Hill. It's just on the outskirts of camp, and we're camped somewhere right. Oh, there's our trailer. See it right there, right next to that one, right by that one over there. That's over there. So yeah, that's where camp is. But let's take a look at Hammertown again. First day of Hammertown. It opened yesterday, and everyone's coming in right now. So let's take a look. Just race car, look at everyone practicing out here. Getting their suspension set up. But again, first day, and it is packed. I can't even imagine what the rest of the week is gonna be like, but I'm gonna be here to find out. We're here till next weekend, just roughing it over there by that trailer. See, over there in that whole area. There's the Matlocks right there. That's where base camp is, down there. Big old camp set up here. Look at that nice circle. It's gonna be fireworks central up here every night. Doing a little rock crawling in the Ranger. She's doing awesome. Up and over that rock. I think I bottomed out on it because I heard a snap. I don't know if it was an axle already or what, but here she is in her natural habitat, looking good. Dust is starting to settle in thick. Just in time for dinner. Food will be dusty and crunchy. All right, so it's 4:30 in the evening, and it is dinner time. So we got some tri-tips, and I just made a nice rub. Well, Traeger made a nice rub, but yep, we got a couple nice tri-tips. We're gonna do some potatoes and olive oil, a salad, and we're gonna put it on the smoker. So that's what we're doing for dinner tonight. Let this soak. We're gonna put a little Jack Daniels in there, a little Worcester sauce, a little pepper, and look at that. See, just a little dabble will do ya. That'll be good. I saw it creeping right here. I thought it was pouring out. I'm like, crap, there's a hole in the freaking bag, but nope, there ain't. All right, got the meat marinating. Now we got to cut up all these potatoes, season them, oil them, pepper them, grill them on the smoker. We got a lot of potatoes to cut. Tri-tip just finished, bud. Nicholas, what do you think about this tri-tip?
Tri-tip, baby.
Tri-tip, dude. What you doing over here, Christopher?
Slicing up some tri-tips.
Slicing and dicing, dude?
Slicing and dicing, marinated in a little season. I get some Smart and Final called Pappies.
Pappies?
It's delicious.
This ain't your pappy seasonings.
No, my Pappies seasoning.
Oh, they turned out so good. Look at that.
They are delish.
Oh, man. Right into the corner. Yes, sir.
This thing, you go buy,
Dude. I mean, what? You're just trying all kinds of different man meats, dude?
Meat-wise, dude.
All kinds of man meats?
Hey, 2 more beers and just fucking have it.
Right.
Oh.
All right, dude.
You got something for us?
Ryan.